Got my little step stool. Ow! Because I'm short. Oh my gosh. This is not tall enough. I need the kitchen stool. Okay, so we got some boxes. White House Black Market. My aunt got me something. She had a gift card there years ago, and she went in there and got me something. Oh, my watches. I'm wondering where those are. Oh, that's okay. Some missing jewelry. And then this Louis Vuitton bag, just the paper bag or whatever. It's from my mother-in-law. And then I have the dust bag from the actual Louis Vuitton purse that I picked up at Goodwill 2014 for $40. And it was actually real. I got the purse and the wallet, and I ended up selling it on Poshmark for $300. So I kept the dust bag. I haven't been able to sell it. I haven't really pushed it. I put it on Facebook and it got taken down because they don't want you to post luxury goods on there, I guess. So because of all the fake stuff, scammers. And then this is a Louis Vuitton box that my mother-in-law gave me. I think it was somebody she worked with had bought a Louis Vuitton, so they gave her this bag. You can actually sell these for like 20 bucks. Okay, so what's in here? I'm gonna have to get my 3-step ladder now. So sad. I didn't grow past 6th grade. So we're just gonna place this on the tub that contains my family's 200-year-old Bible that I need to get rebinded. But anywho, I need to get the snap on this wallet fixed to figure out who does that kind of stuff. Because there's another Jessica Simpson wallet that needs to be repaired. This is just empty. I think my mother-in-law gave me this too. It doesn't have anything in it. It was given... You can sell these for a little bit, but yeah. Somebody gave her this. My Pensacola hunting wallet. I should probably sell this. I'm never going to use it. And here was my anti-buying method to deter me from buying. I taped this in here. 89,900. That's North Florida for you. Actually, this is Foley, Alabama, which is right next to Pensacola. That did not stop me from spending. I mean, it worked a little bit, but I should probably sell this. And here is a little dinosaur box that my husband got me for some dinosaur jewelry. Okay, now I can see a lot better. This is a gown bag. What do I have that's a gown? I don't even know. This is a Nordstrom's bag. This can go downstairs. I can just carry stuff in there. It really does not need to be in my closet. Hey guys, what are you doing? He's going to see himself in the mirror and freak out because he thinks there's another dog there. They have their own YouTube channel. I will link it below. It's Sniffany and Ash, or Regal Beagle and Pumpkin Spice Hound. Who's that? Who's that? Okay, I think he's learned that it's him. She did that too when she was a puppy. Alright. These are directions. Oh, this is my closet making. We'll save that. Okay, good. I thought that was a dead bug. This is the directions for setting up my closet. My closet space that I set up myself when we moved in here with a stud finder and a drill. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. This battery still works. I have not used this since at least 2018 when I was in the Army, so that was 5 years ago. I don't know how the battery still works, but it's Casio, so I guess it's pretty good. G-Shock watch. Have a Turgesco bag and a watch with a compass. This was actually my husband's grandfather gave this to me. He was cleaning out his stuff. We'll keep it. Oops. I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm sorry. Traumatizing my dogs here. Don't eat that. Do not eat that. Sis, no. Okay, this little Louis Vuitton bag. Shoe bags. Oh, Roxy wallet. Got this off Poshmark. It's pretty cool. Ooh, I'm gonna find some money in here. Ooh, lots of coins and empty Louis Vuitton bag. quite a few coins here, like over $1 worth, so that's something. So I've taken all my waffles. These are Army issued waffles. They're super warm. I use them for skiing and if it's really cold out, and sometimes for triathlons. And then these are also thermal. This one is, and then these are just basically dry fit material. Really good. This one's thermal. So these are pretty costly commercially, so I'm gonna hang on to these. I already got rid of most of my Army stuff, but yeah, these ones will come pretty useful, and I'm just gonna put them up here. Store them up there because I don't use them that often. So I only kept 2 of these because that's all I will really need. Alright, so it's a lot better organized and we have space for all of this. That is good. And then I'm going to organize these shelves just a little bit.